and the tire just out of the sky, literally right onto the street while I was driving.
Jason Miller shot the video from inside his car on Sinatra Drive as he tried to get away from the chaos. Instead, he drove head-on into this, the actual tire from the plane which fell from the sky and landed in the middle of the street.
When you look up that, you hear a sound and a bunch of things that fall from the sky, and I stopped my car, and next thing I know, a tire literally was a few, maybe 20 yards in front of me, and it was off the plane.
NTSB investigators around the New Jersey waterfront to figure out what happened and make an appeal to people like Jason Miller, who may have witnessed the tragic scene and captured the events on camera.
Citizens may have information that would be helpful to the investigation, such as video or still photos that they can provide through the police. We'll be taking calls from members of the public. Again, if any debris comes up, please, do not touch it. Please call 201-420-2100. Again, that's 201-420-2100.